Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Lotus root is full of important nutrients, minerals, and vitamins. So today I'm going to make lotus root meatballs. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a piece of pork and mice it. Prepare some lotus root, cut it into small pieces, and then mice it too. Put the meat into the bowl. Cut some scallion and also add it into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, half spoon of dark soy sauce. Crack 1 egg and mix everything. Make it into suitable sized meatballs. Prepare the pan and boil some water. When the water boils, put the meatballs into it. Add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 bay leaf, and 1 star anise. Cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes. The meatballs are more or less cooked at this moment. Now prepare some starch water. We need 2 teaspoons of starch and some water. Mix well and pour it into the pan. Remember to move the balls every now and then, because after adding the starch, the meatballs will become easier to get stick to the bottom of the pan. When the soup thickens, turn off the fire. Put the meatballs onto a plate nicely. Don't forget the juice. And put some scallion on top of them. The dish is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, I'll see you guys soon.